Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Eating a diet rich in nutritious and healthy foods is an important aspect of maintaining overall well-being and preventing a range of chronic diseases. Vegetables are an essential part of a healthy diet and offer numerous benefits, including improved heart health, weight management, and increased longevity. In this video, we will take a look at some of the healthiest vegetables you should incorporate into your diet. Before we reveal the top healthiest vegetables you should eat, be sure to check out the link in the description to discover the encyclopedia of natural remedies filled with over 300 ancient cures. Click the link in the description to discover natural healing and home remedies for common ailments. Now, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Spinach. This leafy green vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients including vitamins A, C, and K, folate, iron, and calcium. Spinach is also high in antioxidants, which help protect the body against harmful free radicals and oxidative stress. Additionally, spinach has anti-inflammatory properties and has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Number 2. Broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is particularly rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, both which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and digestive health. Broccoli also contains compounds that may help reduce the risk of cancer, including prostate, colon, and breast cancer. Number 3. Bell peppers. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors, including green, yellow, red, and orange. These colorful vegetables are high in vitamins C and A and contain a range of other important nutrients, including folate and potassium. Bell peppers also contain compounds known as carotenoids, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, potassium, and vitamin C. They also contain antioxidants, which help to protect the body against harmful free radicals and oxidative stress. Sweet potatoes are also low in glycemic index, making them a great choice for those who are looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Number 5. Asparagus. This stalky vegetable is a great source of vitamin and minerals, including vitamins K and C, as well as folate and potassium. Asparagus has been shown to have a cleaning effect on the kidneys and bladder, as it increases urine production and breaks up uric acid. It also has a positive impact on blood pressure and has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is a highly nutritious vegetable that is known for its potential medicinal properties. It is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and B6, as well as iron and calcium. Garlic is also high in antioxidants and has been shown to help lower cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve the health of the immune system. Number 7. Carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision and healthy skin. They are also rich in dietary fiber and other essential nutrients, including potassium and vitamin K. Carrots contain compounds known as carotenoids, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Number 8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is another member of the cruciferous family of vegetables and is known for its ability to detoxify the body. It is rich in fiber, vitamins C and K, and antioxidants, which help to protect the body against harmful free radicals. Additionally, cauliflower is low in calories, making it a great option for those who are trying to lose weight. Number 9. Eggplant. Eggplant is rich in fiber and low in calories, making it a great option for weight management. It also contains antioxidants such as asuni that protects cells from damage. Additionally, eggplant is a good source of potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and support healthy heart function. Number 10. Kale. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables and is considered a superfood. It contains high levels of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. Kale also contains antioxidants, such as flavonoids that protect against cellular damage. Additionally, kale is rich in fiber, which helps promote digestive health. Number 11. Radicchio. Radicchio is a type of chicory that is high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These compounds have been shown to help lower the risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic conditions. Radicchio is also a good source of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and support gut health. Number 12. Arugula. Arugula is a leafy green that is low in calories but high in nutrients. It contains high levels of vitamin C, which is important for immune system health, as well as calcium, which is important for bone health. Arugula is also a good source of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and support gut health. Number 13. Leeks. Leeks are a type of allium vegetable that contain high levels of sulfur compounds, which are thought to help protect against cancer and other chronic conditions. They are also a good source of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and support gut health. Additionally, leeks contain vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. Number 14. Okra. Okra is a vegetable that is high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It contains high levels of antioxidants such as quercetin and anthocyanins, which help protect cells from damage. Okra is also a good source of vitamin C, which is important for immune system health, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and support healthy heart function. Number 15. Endive. Endive is a type of chicory. It contains high levels of antioxidants such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, which help protect cells from damage. Endive is also a good source of vitamin C, which is important for immune system health, and vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. Number 16. Fennel. It contains high level of antioxidants such as quercetin and anthocyanins, which help protect cells from damage. Fennel is also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and support healthy heart function, as well as vitamin C, which is important for immune system health. Number 17. Collard greens. Before we get into the benefits of collard greens, be sure to check out the link in the description to discover the Encyclopedia of Natural Remedies, filled with over 300 ancient cures. Click the link in the description to discover natural healing and home remedies for common ailments. Now, let's get straight into the benefits of collard greens. Collard greens are a type of leafy green that is high in fiber and low in calories. They also contain high levels of antioxidants, such as quercetin and anthocyanins, which help protect cells from damage. Collard greens are also a good source of vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health, and calcium, which is important for bone health. In conclusion, incorporating a variety of healthy vegetables into your daily diet is essential for maintaining optimal health and wellness. Each vegetable has its unique set of nutrients and health benefits that contribute to overall health and well-being. By regularly consuming these top healthiest vegetables, you can ensure that your body is receiving the necessary vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and fiber it needs to function at its best. So start making these healthy vegetables a staple in your diet today and reap the many benefits they have to offer for years to come. In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe icons. And with that said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.